Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we put the square for the both sides to cancel about the square root. We know that we still have s in here, so I will put about negative s go to the left and u square go to the right. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And you got about negative 2u du. First, the derivative of u square, you got about 2u. This one, you got about 0. The square root, we change by u. S, we change by this one. The s, we change by this one. So, negative number 2, we put in here. U and u, you got about u square. 2 plus 1, you got about 3. And now, u square multiplied by u square and number 3. And now, we have the final answer. The integration of u square, you got about u to the power of 3 over 3. This one, you got about u to the power of 5 over 5. And we put about c. Number 3 divided by number 3. Now, about u, that is about this one. So we change u into this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.